Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard Cruise Pro World Traveler Cruises, where we'll reveal astounding cruise ship features you never knew existed. Make yourselves comfortable as we begin our voyage into hidden wonders. Undercover crew? Ever wonder who's really on board with you? Cruise ships employ trained security personnel who travel disguised as regular passengers. Their job is to ensure safety, blending in discreetly to respond to any serious incidents. They maintain a low profile and are constantly alert, though they are rarely needed. If you think you spot one, it's best not to draw attention to them, as their anonymity is key to their effectiveness. Lifeboat secrets. The orange lifeboat is essential, but it's more than just a boat. Modern lifeboats contain sophisticated survival packs and advanced deployment systems. These features ensure they can be lowered safely and quickly, even if the ship is listing, providing a self-contained unit with provisions and communication for survival at sea until rescue arrives. Age of vessels. Does an older cruise ship mean less safety? Not necessarily. Like all vessels, cruise ships have unique IMO identification numbers that reveal their age. While ships typically serve for decades, older vessels often undergo extensive refurbishments to meet modern safety standards. Some older ships are even preferred for their unique design or ability to access specific ports, proving that age doesn't always determine reliability. Voyage recorder. Just like airplanes, ships have their version of a black box called the voyage data recorder. This system records all critical information about the ship's activities and bridge communications. VDRs are designed to be extremely durable, capable of withstanding extreme conditions and emitting a signal for an extended period, making them vital for accident investigation. They are typically installed in protected areas of the ship and are painted fluorescent orange for easy retrieval. Hooked on safety. Cruise ships have crucial safety features beyond obvious life jackets. You might notice small, reinforced attachment points along the hull or near evacuation exits. These are designed to secure guide ropes or safety netting for passengers during emergency evacuations, particularly if the ship is evacuating in challenging conditions. They are subtle but essential features for passenger safety. Ship horn. Yes, cruise ships have horns, or rather, powerful whistles. They're not for honking at other ships at sea, but for specific communication. Captains use them when maneuvering into or out of port, in dense fog, or for ceremonial purposes, like signaling departure. The whistle controls are on the ship's bridge and produce a deep, resonant sound. Hidden handholds. Ever felt wobbly in a ship's corridor during rough seas? Many modern cruise ship corridors and public areas have built-in handholds. These are subtle ridges, textured surfaces, or discrete curves along walls or under handrails and stairwells. Designed to provide passengers with extra grip and stability when navigating the ship during unexpected motion. Secretive cabins. Cruise cabins offer varying experiences. While balcony cabins are popular, even interior cabins on newer ships can hide surprising features. Some offer virtual balconies, large LED screens displaying real-time ocean views. Additionally, some cruise lines are subtly adding an extra inch of width to interior cabins or incorporating smart storage solutions in modular furniture to enhance comfort in smaller spaces. Ship lighting moments. To combat cruise lag or simply enhance guest comfort, modern cruise ships use ingenious LED lighting systems. These customizable lights can simulate natural daylight, gradually changing colors to mimic sunrises and sunsets, helping passengers' internal clocks adapt to ship schedules and time zone changes, ultimately enhancing their vacation experience. Colossal cargo. Cruise ships don't just carry passengers, they also carry immense amounts of cargo, from food and beverages for thousands to supplies for duty-free shops and entertainment. Beyond passenger ships, dedicated cargo vessels are true giants of the sea. These massive ships use huge hatches and specialized cranes to transport oversized items like entire building sections or wind turbine blades, showcasing incredible feats of logistics and engineering. Docking wonders. What is a massive cruise ship dock without incident? It relies on powerful maneuvering systems. Instead of just a single propeller and rudder, large ships use multiple thrusters, giant propellers that push water sideways. These allow the ship to move laterally and precisely, distributing immense forces to ensure a smooth, controlled approach and departure from port, even in tight spaces. Emergency escape pods. Maritime safety innovations continue to evolve. Some advanced concepts include self-contained emergency escape pods or modules, designed to detach from a vessel in a major incident. While facing engineering and cost challenges for widespread implementation, these proposals highlight the ongoing effort to create the safest possible environment at sea, potentially revolutionizing evacuation procedures in the future. Captain, ladies and gentlemen, we're now approaching our destination. Are there any more cruise ship secrets I missed? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for sailing with Cruise Pro World Traveler.